Hello students, today we are going to look motion one dimension problem. A runner completes one round of a circular path of radius r in 40 seconds. One round of radius r, circular path in 40 seconds. His displacement means shortest distance after 2 minutes 20 seconds will be. 2 minutes means 2 into 60, 120 plus 20. This is equal to 140 second. 140 second means how much? This is 3 times. 120 means 3.5 revolution he will make, because in 40 seconds he makes one revolution. Okay, so in 140 second, 40 into 3, this is 3 revolution, and 20 second remaining, that is half revolution. Okay, so 3.5 revolution. And what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance, radius is r, so displacement will be r and r to r. So answer of the question is option 3, because in the question distance is not asked, displacement is asked, and displacement is the shortest distance, so option 3 is the correct answer. A motor car covers 1/3 part of total distance with V1 equal to 10 km per hour, second 1/3 part with V2 equal to 20 km per hour, and rest 1/3 part with V3 equal to 60 km per hour. What is the average speed of the car? When same distance are traveled by a body with a different speed, then average speed is the harmonic mean. Okay, so here average speed is 1/3, because journey is taking place in 3 parts. 1/10 plus 1/20 plus 1/60. This we can solve easily and can get the result. This is how much? 1/3. Let us take 60 as LCM. This is 6 plus 3 plus 1. This is how much? 1/3. 10/60. So after solving this, 0 0 will get cancelled. This is 1/18. So V average of the journey is 18 km per hour. Out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 1. So dear student, option 1 we will tick as correct choice. Okay. A passenger travels along a straight line with velocity v1 for first half time and with velocity v2 for next half time. Then mean velocity, because passenger is traveling for same time interval with different velocity, so average velocity is the arithmetic mean. Directly you can write v1 plus v2 upon 2. If you want to solve the problem, you can solve. See here, suppose total time in the journey is t. So for t by 2 time he is traveling with velocity v1. For next t by 2 time he is traveling with velocity v2. So average velocity in the journey is displacement. This is displacement for first half, and this is displacement for the second half, and this is total time. After solving this, you take t by 2 as common. So v1 plus v2, t by 2 will get cancelled. Okay, t by 2 plus 2. So dear student, this is the answer direct. So out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 1. From figure, the distance traveled in 5 seconds. Here, this is a velocity time curve. The area under velocity time curve gives us displacement. Okay, while area under speed time curve gives us distance traveled. You can convert velocity time curve into speed time curve by converting negative velocity into positive velocity, or directly wherever velocity is coming negative. If you imagine in mind that speed is always positive, so you add up all the area. Okay, directly you can find. So dear student, this area, this area, this area, and then you add up this area. Otherwise you convert this triangle. Okay, so what is area of this trapezium? 10 plus 20 upon 2 into 1, plus this is rectangle, 10 into 1, plus this is triangle, half into 10 into 1. and this is also plus because we are taking speed time curve. Okay, so half into 2 into 20. After solving this, we get 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20. 25, 30, 50 meter. This is the distance. So out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 3. If you want to see speed time curve, this will be like this. This is like this. Okay, this is 20. This is 10. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 5. This is 0. This is speed time curve. Okay. Remember, dear student, area under speed time curve gives us distance, while area under velocity time curve gives us displacement. This everyone should remember. Okay. Had the displacement could have been asked, then what we could have been doing? This we could have been written minus. Okay, then we could have solved the problem. Which one of the following curve do not represent motion one dimension? Here, speed is decreasing, no problem. Time is also increasing. Here, what you are observing, at the same time, two speeds are there. For real object, this is not possible. Here, speed is increasing. Here, speed is increasing. Okay. If it is a speed time curve, then this is also not possible because speed cannot be negative. But if it is velocity time curve, make it this velocity time curve. Okay, then this is possible. Then this curve is not possible. Okay, because this is at a given time, two speeds are there, which is not possible. So out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 2. But option 4 can also become answer if this is speed time, because speed can never be negative. Okay, we are assuming this is velocity time curve. The velocity time graph of a linear motion is shown below. The displacement from the origin after 8 seconds. In this question, we have to determine displacement. So directly calculate area. This is positive displacement and this is negative displacement. Okay. Dear student, what is area of trapezium? Sum of parallel sides. This is 3 minus 1, 2. This is 4. Divided by 2 into distance between parallel sides. Minus again this. This is 7 minus 5, 2. This is 8 minus 4, 4. Divided by 2 into distance between parallel sides. This is 2. So after solving this is 6 upon 2, 3 into 4, 12. Minus 6 upon 2, 3 into 2, 6. So answer is 6 meter. So out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 3. The following figure shows some velocity v versus t time t curve, but only some of these can be realized in practice. Dear student, velocity can be positive, negative, but time always increases. Okay, so see here, this is possible because velocity is increasing, decreasing. Okay, this is velocity increasing, decreasing. This is also possible. This is velocity increasing, decreasing. This is also possible, but in this graph, at a particular time, there are two velocities. So option C is not. Only some of these can be realized. Okay, so A, B, and D can be realized. Because this curve is showing continuous curve. Okay, continuous curve is not possible. Okay, continuous curve is not possible. If the curve is not continuous, then C is also possible. Okay, dear student, understood? If this graph is not continuous, then C is also possible. Okay, otherwise A, B, and D is the correct answer, because at a given time there cannot be more than one velocity. Okay, so we will write if the graph is continuous, we are assuming that this graph is continuous. So we are writing a option A, B, D as correct answer. Okay. So out of 4 choice, we are marking option 1 as correct answer. A rocket is projected vertically upward and its time velocity graph is shown in the figure. The maximum height attained by the rocket is. Dear student, in any numerical problem in one dimensional motion, the sign of velocity indicates the direction of motion. Here at t equal to 120 up to t equal to 120 second, velocity sign is not getting changed. Okay, so at t equal to 120 second, particle will attain maximum height. So what is maximum height? Area under velocity time curve. This is half into 120 into 1000. This is 60. So this is 60,000 meter, means 60 kilometer. So correct answer out of 4 choice, the correct answer is option 4. 60 kilometer is the correct answer. If u is the initial velocity of a body and a is the acceleration, then the value of distance traveled by the n second. In case of uniform acceleratory motion, distance traveled in n second displacement equal to ut un plus half an square, and distance traveled in n minus 1 second, this is un minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 whole square. So this is displacement in n a second. This is Sn minus 1. After solving, we will get this relation u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. Okay. So out of 4 choice, the correct answer is option 2. Out of 4 choice, the correct answer is option 2. A body is starting from rest and has uniform acceleration 8 meter per second square. Body is at rest. Okay. The distance traveled by it in 5th second. 5th second means directly we can apply the formula u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. So dear student, this is 4 and this is 9. This is 36 meters. So out of 4 choice, the correct choice is option 1. Out of 4 choice, correct choice is option 1. Okay.